Yeah, hello guys, welcome to today's videos. In today's video I'm going to tell you guys on how to make money online. I have searched another website that helped me to earn a huge amount of money, although it's not that big, but I have earned a little as $10, $15, $20, $5, $4 from this particular website. And before I show you this website or the payment proof, I need you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, and also like it and comment down this video. So I will also show you the payment proof. So these are the payment proof that I've gotten from this website. You can see this one here, you can see this, you can see this, and this one. So guys, this is so massive. Just like under 1 week I just registered on this website on this website, and I've done many surveys, take their tests, and I've gotten paid all this amount down into my paper. So guys, I'm going to teach you guys on step by step that you can register on this website called User Test. Understand? So the name of the website or the name of the app is called User Test. It's as simple as that. Just go down to your web browser or go over to your Play Store, and so you can download it. So I'm going to show you guys on how you can download it. So I'll go over to my Chrome. Please, I need you guys to follow me on this video step by step so you can know how I download it and know how I registered on it. Don't just see that I have called the name of the app so you can leave the video. Watch step by step on how you can do it and earn from this. So I'm going to go over to my Chrome browser. I'm going to go back to my Chrome browser and I'll search for user testing. Yes, user testing. You can see, just click on user testing software company. Then from there you can click on this second one. So this you can click on this. You can click on this get paid to test and make money. You understand? So you can click on that. I will click on it. So you can see, once you click on it, it will bring out this interface. So you need to register, thereby putting in your email address. You understand? But on the course of doing this video, I already have an account with this, so I'm going to create a new account to show you guys the step by step you can make money on this user testing app. So similar of you might be asking, what is this user testing all about? Okay, this user testing is whereby you share your opinion. Like you share your opinion to the website, get paid to test, like testing apps, testing products, like these people that produce many products. So they want you guys to test it or give them a review about the product so they can know whether they are trying on the product or not. So this is all about this. But you can see, try the unlimited size of it. It's easy, fast, and simple. Share your perspective or product experiences and make money online. It's just as simple as that. You can see how it works. Influence the biggest brand, latest technologies, and innovation companies while earning money online in your spare time. You can see, you can scroll down, you can scroll and browse everything about this user testing. It's a good website. Under one week I registered on this website. You can see I have withdrawn at least up to like $50 from this. You can see testimony. These are the testimonies people are doing from this website. You can take your time to scroll down. Once you search this on your Chrome browser or any browser that you are using to make money. So you can see these are the frequent asked questions. Do I have to pay to be a contributor? No, you don't have to pay any money to be a contributor to this particular user testing, usually because you came here to make money. Is if you are testing your product or you want to create a website or anything, then you can pay for people to give you a review of the product that you just launched. But you are not doing that. You only came here to make some cool cash. So you can see, do I have to pay to be a contributor? No, you don't have to pay. How much can I get and when do I get paid? You you can see that the reward amount for each test varies and depend on factors like test type, duration, and customer demand. Your dashboard will always show you the amount you will get paid. Wow, for each test. Payments for complete tests are actually sent 14 days. You understand? So this is how it works. You can actually, there is no particular amount, there is no stated amount that you will always get paid. So once you want to test, they will show you on this, like let's say you want to test for a product now, they will just show you the particular amount that you will pay after testing for this product. And once you test it and they verify you, just hope like the payment is between 1 to 14 days, but sometimes it's not as long as that. It might get up to like 5 business days or 1 week business days to get your payment. So don't say that the payment this thing will be long. It just was mine. I just received all my payments within 3 to 4 business days. So that is it. You can see what kind of device you can use. Your smartphone, you can use anything. Please use a device that meets our following requirements. You can see, at least use a phone that is more applicable to this browser. You can see, and the payment is usually down to your PayPal account. This is the only payment method they have. So if you guys want me to teach you on how to create a verified PayPal account in Nigeria using this website, just go down to the comment section and type teach us how to create a PayPal account, and I will do just that. So you can scroll around and search on how to and see various questions you might be asking on this user testing. So I will go ahead now and register on this website. First, this place I want you guys to be more attentive. You understand? Play more attentive on this one now. So I will go ahead to put me in one of my email. So I'll put in one of my email address. You can see I'll click on get started. So it's loading. So you can see this is the place. This is why I told you guys should not leave the video once I just tell you guys the name of the app or the name of the website. You can see thanks for your interest. Unfortunately, we currently have all the contributors we need at this time. You understand? So once you register and put in your email, this is what it will tell you, but don't panic. You understand? Don't panic. I'll tell you guys how you can do it. You understand? So once you see this, it means that you cannot participate, you cannot log in, you cannot join the user testing. You understand? So don't panic. What you will do is, we have another way to do it. What you will do is on your VPN. There are many types of VPN. They have Mysterium VPN, they have Proton VPN, and you can try many free VPN. But the VPN I'm using is Mysterium VPN, and I paid for it. There is a monthly subscription for it. So I'll just go over to my this magic now. I'll just go over to my Mysterium browser, just Mysterium VPN. I'll on the Mysterium VPN. Now I'm working from United Kingdom. You can see. So I'll just click on connect. You can see I've on my VPN. You can see it here. The VPN is on. Now I'll now go back to the website again. I'll just minimize, go back to the website again, then go back. You can see I will now put in my email address again. You can see I'll click on get started. It's loading. Wow, you can see the magic, guys. It says it's great to meet you. Thanks for starting your application. To continue, download this user testing app. So once you on your VPN and try putting in your email again, it will verify that you are now able to do it. So it will ask you to download it, because you can only do this on the app. You can't do it on the website. So they have an app, and that's more convenient. So if there is an issue or this thing, you can kindly contact the support group. So you just go over to your Google Play Store. Just click it, you go back to your Google Play Store. As you can see, mine is already downloaded. I've downloaded the site. You can see, just if your own is not showing this open, just click on install. Once you are done with the installing, just click on open. So guys, if you are liking this video at this major place, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, and also click on this description of the video to follow this thing and know how I did it and get to this place. So guys, simply what you need to do is put in that same email address again. I'll put in the same email address I put, and I'll click on next, checking credentials. So you have to now click on create account. Don't sign in, you are not yet signed in, so you need to create an account. Yeah, so please read what is here. You can see sign up to take test. A few things before we get started. Reward amount varies depending on the test type of test. We show the amount on each test, so you can choose the ones you would like to take. Understand? So there are no various particular amount for each test. So you can see a test of $5, you can see a test of $10, you can see a test of $15, a test of $20. So the tests are not dependable, like they are various, you understand? So you receive all payments straight into your verified PayPal account. So I have told you guys that if you want me to do a tutorial video on how to create a PayPal account, go to the comment section and click on coach, I want a PayPal account, and I'll do that video. So another thing here is that you need to be at least 18 years or more before you can do this thing, you understand? Because if you're not 18 years or more, they might restrict your account, you understand? So we just go over to next. Now we are going to put in your name, put in your first and last name. I'm going to put my first and last name, understand? But if you have a PayPal account, the email on that PayPal account, use it to open this thing. But I'm trying to show you guys on how to do it, so I'll just put in a random name there. So I'll put in Senior King. Now this is the main point here. You can see location. Mind you that we have already on our VPN to do this, because we can't do this app or we can't do this software without on your VPN. So you can see many of our tests incorporate location-based service. So this need to be accurate. So since you have on your VPN, telling them that you are from United Kingdom or United States, you need to, as well as putting your zip code or postal code. So what you need to do is just do it like this, then go over to your Google or Chrome. Go over to your Google or Chrome. So I need to go over to my Google account. You can type postal code for United Kingdom. Yeah, you can see many postal code there, so you can just copy one of the postal code. There are many more. You can copy one of the postal code. You can copy normally there are 6 digits in postal code, so you can copy one of them there. So it's as simple as that. Just copy one of the postal code. Now I want to copy this particular postal code. Just copy it. Yeah, now go back to your main app, then put in the postal code. As simple as that. Then click on next. You can see that's good. Done. Now put in your username, not the name you use in what is time. Don't find a random username to put. Let's say I'll put in Donald 23. Then I'll put in my password. So I'll click on next. So guys, for the purpose of this video, I need to cut the video short because it's getting too long. I don't need it to get too long, so this will be the part 1 of this video. So if you have reached with me at this stage, quickly confirm your email address, and if you have your PayPal account, quickly connect it. But if you don't have, just wait on my next episode and I'll show you how to connect your PayPal account, and that is it. And guys, please, this is the most important step that you need to follow to get paid. You have to finish up your profile and also take a practice test on this
user testing, because the practice test will determine whether they will employ you, whether you will take a participate on their testing of their website and all this app. Because if you made any mistake, or if you make any mistake on your profile details, you might end up getting screened out. So wait for me on my next upload on how to set up your profile and take a practice test. Then before you can now start taking your test and start making money. Understand? So guys, see you on my next upload. Goodbye.